Today I'll be unboxing this interesting thing that is coding and self-learning. Let's check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Aza can see every day. First we have this, and second we have this thing, and then third we have maybe the instructions. So what's inside is how to open it.
Push.
This is so Let's check inside.
What's that?
Beginner, basic animation. There's no other books, but this one is basic logic, I think, and this one is basic animation, and this is beginner's book. And then it's a photo of this guy, and then this is a disc. This is a disc.
Maybe it's a software inside.
So this is, I think, a key. No, this is not a key.
Keychain.
A keychain. And here's another book. I have so many books here. Intermediate, advanced.
What book there?
So we got beginners and basic animation. We have beginners, basic animation, and then basic logic. And this is intermediate, and this is advanced. 5. And here's the disc again. And then I think that these are the instructions over here. Mom. And really? Why the? I already have a mouse.
Yeah, maybe it's just a bonus.
Okay, and then we got nothing. And here's are the instructions. No, this is not an instruction.
That's
No.
a space.
It's a timetable.
That's not space.
Okay, it's a bonus.
Bonus.
Book comes in Bahasa, and I'm not really good at Bahasa because I speak too much English. If I talk with my friends, I don't know what they're saying because I don't speak that.
Okay. I will help
speak
you
a
with that
little
book. Don't worry.
Thanks. Now let's check what's inside this disc. Inside the disc is bonus extra, new scratch master, level 1 basic logic, level 2 basic animation, level 3 beginner, level 4 intermediate, level 5 is advanced. And that thing is TXT. And we don't know what it is. So now there's that thing. So now this is what's inside the disc, and it's all. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna practice doing coding. I hope you do coding too, kids.